Hello, my name is Johar. He's my teammate, Johangar. We are from Uzbekistan, and this is our project, our startups for innovation contest. It's called Alka Stop. The main aim of our project is to stop the car while the driver is drunk. When the driver is drunk, this device doesn't let to the drivers to drive the car. So it's our startup. It's a real project. According to the world statistics, every year more than 1 million people dies from this kind of situations. So we want to save people health by this way. So we have launched our project. There is a lot of analogs of our projects, but our projects has two more benefits. The first one is the construction. The second one, we have a helping systems. That means this is a IoT projects. When the driver is in drunk situations, the device will send a message to the driver's friend or someone. After that, it will receive SMS. It will wait to receive SMS. When the SMS doesn't come, it will automatically, our device automatically will send the message to the to the tow truck. This kind of tow truck. So the overall information is this: we won $10,000 for these projects, the investment, and this is and by now we have launched our project for 40 taxi cars in our cities. This is a project idea. This is our product development stage. After 5 years, we go to the Central Asia. And we have two mobile applications. The first one is for drivers. The second one is for towel trucks. So, you can see it's main page of our towel trackers. You can manage everything here. You can see your orders, you can see your history, you can change your profile, and so on. Driver's app is also like that. And we have both Android and iOS. And also we have one website. It's an administrator website for checking all the information about our projects. From this site we can get the daily report, how many how many drivers is drunk, and this kind of a lot of things. Okay, that's all. Thank you.